Welcome to Sensate Technologies. Today we'll talk about adding additional clocks into Windows 10 and 11. Hover over the right hand corner of your date and time and click on the adjust date time with a right click, then left click add clocks for different time zones. This will bring up a menu where we can add additional clocks. On this particular one, I'm going to search for London using the scroll bar. As you can see, there are many time zones to choose from. We'll change the display name to London, and then we'll show another clock. And this time, let's scroll up and find Perth. And let's click on display and change that to Perth. Click OK. Now, when you look in the bottom right-hand corner, not only will you see your additional time, you'll see London and Perth. I hope this helps, and have a nice day.